Hello, how to make a chunky round mat or blanket with a hook or without. How you prefer to use hook or to use fingers? I can show you both way, but I know a lot of you does not want to use the hook, me either. So let's show me on this yarn. This yarn is look, Chunky Chenille mainstay. It's a little bit thinner, so it's good for that type of mat rug because it's kind of crochet stitch. So we do Amigurini magic ring. One more time. This, go around and cross. When you cross, you pull stitch. You see, you pull stitch and you do another chain. Now to do single crochet, you put fingers underneath and pull through, work in yarn, then pull through two. You complete first of your stitch, you see. So now you're gonna put again, pull through and do another stitch. You count by this V stitches, again pull through and then you complete 1, 2, 3, third stitch, pull through and you slightly tight with this, see, but just enough to work inside because it's a Amigurini ring, and you can complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do 8, okay? 6, 7, 8. So you got the center of the blanket or map, you see. But this was made with a big hook. See how difference? So if you want a with hook, that's what you got, big one. But if you want a with fingers, that's what you got. Let me continue one more row with with hook, then you can see what I'm doing. So I pull here, okay, we do spiral. So this was my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have to stitch over here. Okay, we do twice. No. Okay, you do single crochet like this. 1, 2. We increase by 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. With hook it's hard because it's heavy, big, and you have to moving your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we have to count if we have 16 because we have 8 and has a little bit holes because it's a big 25mm hook. We can use smaller if we want. I don't see size, but smaller. Really, no size, but it looks smaller, right? So we can use smaller if we need. So this is sample how I did with the hook, and I will continue with the fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now with spiral we do here 2. Of course you need I don't know where's my okay, this is gonna be my first stitch if I see this. Okay, 1, pull through. See, it's easier than with hook. 2, you have 2. We increase by 1 stitch every stitch. We crochet, finger crochet, 2 stitches. 2. See, 1 and 2. 1, 1 and 2. This one easy. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. See, this we stop. This was our first stitch. So now we're gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2. I mean 1 single crochet and 2 increase. From now and on, so now 2, 2, okay, and now 1. So every other stitch we increase 1, 2. If you miss it and you don't see it, you just open like this and look. Okay, I see this stitch and this stitch. It means this is 2, and here does not have this and this, so it's 1. So next my stitch will be 2. So I'm doing 2, and from now and on and later, next row 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. When you come to your marker, you do 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Then next 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and you continue increase until you reach desired size. You can have small one, big one, how much yarn you have, because this yarn will be eaten quick, but it's nice, thick. That's how gonna be looking from outside. You can do second one like this and attach together and sewing, so it's gonna be double thick if you wanna really rock, and you continue to increase. So we do now 1 and 2. So now 2. See, it go quick. You can put different color, change with the colors. 1 and 2. You go here, see, easy with the fingers like this, like you go with the hook. Oh. One, and again, if you don't know where you are, this was 2, I see here 1, so I mean I need to do another 1 here to have a 2. See, because even if I have experience, I still have to figure out which one is which. So now 1, 1, now 2, 1, now 2. I said now 2, but I did 1. So always recheck yourself. No rush. I know we all rush, but it has to be nice. So count them. 1, the next 2. Next 2. Let me know what else you want to see with those kind of crochet knit stitch. What you like to see. I can do anything you ask because I know how to do it. I'm gonna do for you starfish. If you want a starfish, I'll make you teach you how to do starfish. Look, I have starfish, double starfish. I can do skinny starfish. You see, this is double. It's thick, you see, because it's double. We can do smaller starfish, only 1 layer. I can do video of that my turtle. Whichever I design, I didn't buy those pattern. I can do it pattern. I can show how to do it. You see, this is hour to hour, and it's ready. This little bit inside filling. Ice is pretty matching her coat. So now you see how to do this, and I hope you understand. This is 2, you see, before our marker. 2, 2. And here we start 1, 1, and 1. Like I said, 2, single, see? Single, single, we attach back our market. So 1, 1, then increase. And watch your twisting chains, because if you twist, you can tell it's twisted. Make them always even, do not twist them, because when you twist, it's different pattern if you twist. Okay, see, you can help with your second hands to pull through. Everybody has different. Now again, 1 and 1, and now 2 and 2. See, it's getting grow. I need to look for the yarn. 1, 1, and 2, and 2. So this is my round mat by Crochet Technique. I know how to do knit technique. It's pretty good too. It may be a little bit skinnier, but I can show you. sometime in next video if you ask me to do it. Thank you. Leave comments if you need me another video. Thank you.